In Slack, there are task notifications when a task is created or completed in a Slack channel. This video will show you how to turn on and off the Slack notifications from Workast in a Slack channel. Type /to-do list and then click on settings. This is going to bring up the space settings. Here we have the notifications on. I'm going to uncheck this, and this will not share the tasks that are created or completed in the Slack channel. Let's do a test so that you can see this working in action. Type /to-do list to bring up the tasks in the Slack channel. Then click on the 3 dots to complete a task. Since we turned off the notifications, you'll only see the completed task here, and you won't see the completed task notification in the Slack channel. Now let's turn the Slack notification settings back on so you can see what it looks like if you have the notifications on for a channel. Be sure to click on Save to save the settings. Now we're going to create a task in the Slack channel, and you can see that when we create the task, it will now be posted to the Slack channel so that everyone can see the task. Now we can do a test on the completed task notification in a Slack channel. So type /to-do list and then click on the ellipsis next to a task you want to complete. And then let's close out this box, and you will see that the notification will be posted to the channel for everyone to see. For any questions and support, please visit workast.com.